What if you've been buying the wrong pocket hole jig all along? Today we're putting two of the most talked about options head to head. The Dovick 3-pound cast aluminum pocket hole jig and the Kreg 720 Pro. One is built like a tank and promises years of dependable performance. The other is loaded with smart features designed to save time on every project. But when it comes to accuracy, speed, durability, and overall value, which one actually comes out on top? Stay tuned because the results might surprise you. Pick up the Dovick and the first thing that hits you is density. This is 3 pounds of solid cast aluminum. Zero plastic, zero compromise, zero shortcuts. It's the kind of tool that feels like it could survive a job site accident and still work perfectly. Durability practically radiates from this thing. The Kreg 720 Pro presents the opposite approach. Lighter, yes, but don't mistake that for weakness. Polymer construction comes with reinforced steel internals and precision engineering throughout. Every aspect reflects careful design choices, prioritizing control and comfort over raw mass. Here's where they diverge significantly. With 3/4-inch stock, the Dovick demands manual attention, depth setting, collar adjustment, thumb screw tightening. It works smoothly, taking roughly half a minute once you develop the rhythm, but you're managing several components with each use. Enter the Kreg 720 Pro's AutoMax system. Insert your board, engage the clamp once, and you're done. The jig reads material thickness automatically. No adjustments, no resetting. That docking station keeps larger panels locked in place. For someone drilling dozens of pocket holes, this efficiency becomes genuinely noticeable. Both tools produce excellent drilling results. The Dovick's aluminum body controls vibration beautifully, delivering tight, accurate holes. The Kreg's steel-reinforced guides deliver the same quality outcome. Hole quality? Essentially identical. Yet the Kreg advantages emerge elsewhere. Its vacuum collection port connects to your shop vac, virtually eliminating sawdust. The Dovick lacks this feature, spreading debris across your workspace. 50 versus 150. That's a $100 gap. Significant money. Could purchase wood, clamps, or something entirely different. For weekend warriors and hobbyists tackling occasional projects, the Dovick represents fantastic value. You're getting bulletproof reliability, legendary durability, and setup time barely matters. This is a 30-year tool. Professional cabinet makers and daily use shops? The Kreg 720 Pro starts justifying its cost through faster workflows, setup reduction, dust management, and support features. When you're drilling hundreds of holes monthly, those minutes accumulate. Time directly converts to income. Both win, just for different scenarios. Choosing the Dovick if you're a weekend builder makes complete sense. It's reliable, tough as nails, and the value is unbeatable. Choosing the Kreg 720 Pro if you're a professional cabinet shop makes equally good sense. The AutoMax automation and convenience features genuinely matter during intense production work. If we're being honest, we'd grab the Dovick first. That indestructible feeling is addictive. That said, we respect why pros swear by the Kreg 720 Pro. It's genuinely brilliant engineering. These jigs aren't really competing, they're simply designed for different woodworkers. So, which team are you on? Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tested either one? Dovick reliability? Kreg time savings? Tell us. If this comparison helped you choose your next jig, subscribe for more equipment breakdowns. We'll meet you at the workbench.